Hey y'all, we're back. I'm gonna pop in on this video from time to time. Balmy minus 33 in Fort Nelson with the wind today. So starting to snow outside. Who knows? Maybe a plow video coming up. Either way, the wife is not enjoying this ride. The mini boat is definitely not smooth when it comes to lake travel and big waves and whatnot, and especially deep water. So yeah, she's bundled up and enjoying the ride. Here's beautiful Muncho Lake, British Columbia, on the Alaska Highway. We're just out for a cruise. This was fall of 2019. This here is Honeymoon Island. Just stop for a break. Make a lot of breaks with my wife when it's cold. As you can see, she's taking pictures just with her phone, not daring brave her fancy camera. Feel free to check out Sundance Designs on Facebook, Instagram. Yeah, she takes some wonderful pictures. She's got some there somewhere of that Honeymoon Island there. I might have been the summer of 2019. Loon had nested there. We found the loon nest. Didn't touch it, of course, so don't get worried about that. Anyhow, here is one of the campgrounds that has closed and since the province has bought, but we're kind of pointed back towards the lodge now. We get zipping along here. Gotta love them fall colors, eh? We got some backwards footage in here too, as you can see. For those we were having a conversation about there, you can tell how the nozzle I have on there doesn't really direct the flow like I prefer, but whatever. Everybody tells me it's the same as a Scott, but it's a Southern Jet. It's not. This is the McDonald campground. It was kind of funny, the dock was still in, but the campground at this point in time is closed. We had Muncho Lake to ourselves. We closed Muncho Lake down in the fall of 2019. There was a couple of tourists there that were traveling up to Alaska, but other than that, the wife and I were the only ones with a boat on the water, and we were the only ones from Fort Nelson that were actually camping and not traveling. You'll see when we come back around the corner here. This is just the end point at McDonald Campground. That's provincial. You can check it out on BC Parks or whatever it's called there. And yeah, we were the only ones there. We had it to ourselves. And then the spring 2020 Muncho footage too, we had the entire campground all to ourselves. Everybody had the fear of the flu, and so nobody went. So yeah, we literally broke the ice on May long weekend. We jumped every shred of ice we had out there, the mini boat, and not a soul out there. I just couldn't believe it. So this here is Northern Rockies Lodge. They've put us up I don't know how many times now. Absolutely beautiful facility. You'll see when we come in here, we got the bus parked right smack looking waterfront. That's the front of our motorhome right there that we're coming in at. We land right in front of it. We launch this boat with that motorhome. They launch airplanes here, so they've got a big concrete slipway there, and yeah, back the bus in, launch the boat. Don't even get your shoes dirty. No gravel, no nothing. Beautiful. Check them out. Anyhow, now we're going to do a zip down to the lake. So here we are leaving. There's one of the float planes still in the water. They do a lot of fall hunts, taking hunters in with the float planes while there's still water. There'll be water on Muncho right into December, but it is cold. It's glacier fed. So there we go. We're just going to take a quick rip down to the end of the lake backwards. Yeah, it's rough. Believe me, it is rough. Here you go. I slowed her down for you here in a couple of sections just to show you the literal beating that I'm taking. I don't even think I had the wife with me on this trip. I wanted to go down and see how much water there was. We're going to go down to the mouth of the Trout River where it flows out. And yeah, as you can see, like I said, I slowed it down here a couple times because the boat is literally leaving the water and landing back down again on every wave. You don't see it. It's hard to make out, but the whole lake is slow rollers right now, just picking up pace. So fun times. I couldn't help. I had to slow this down for you too, so you can see the water coming off there. Little spurts. I thought it looked kind of neat. This is just one of the flows, glacier flow channels that you would call. The road maintenance contractors as well as other hired contractors spend a fair bit of time pushing rocks and whatnot every year when the ice comes down and moves and shifts everything around, and trying to keep the water going under the highways as opposed to over them. It's pretty cool to stop at some of them. They have lookouts and hiking trails up them, and they're just absolutely phenomenal. So we're just about getting there. As you can see, we're taking a beating, and or I'm taking a beating. And here we come into the mouth of where the Muncho flows out and into the Trout. You get to really see the colors here once I come into the corner. I do slow around before I take off to head back north head back to camp again. But yeah, some of the beautiful aqua blue colors here. So I'll slow the footage down here in just a second and let you see the end of the lake and the nice blue color. And yeah, if you made it this far in the video, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you a dime. Give the videos a like, leave me a comment, tell me what you think, because all that makes it get played more, which makes more people watch my videos. So the more of you that subscribe, the better it is for me. Smash that button. Thanks for watching.